Okay, I'm not sure what this is. I'm gonna pick it up, but if it's what I think it is, I'm gonna put it right back. Okay, I was about to say, if that was gonna be someone's ashes, I promise I would have put them back. And I don't think it is, I think it's just sand. It's probably just sand. But just in case that's someone's, I'm not gonna disturb that. I'm gonna put that back. I'm not sure what that was. And I've already found 2 different bags like that. That's the second one. So, if that was someone's remains, I apologize. So whomever's it was, I'll put you back. Alright, I'm gonna keep going around trying to find cool stuff. I've already found some really cool rocks and stuff, so I got plenty of cool stuff. Peace out.